Hi, here's Elizabeth, your expert mind coach. I just wanted to give a short guideline to the upcoming Vision Board workshop, which is scheduled to take place on the 24th of August, that is Saturday next week, at the Maritime Hotel in Cologne. Let us look at what this Vision Board aims to do. First of all, it aims to help you define your dreams and goals with your partner on that board. We're going to go through the workshop process, so it's not going to be just coming and cutting, but there's going to be stages in which we're going to go, where eventually we're going to end up being able to define each partner's dreams and goals and then merge them onto that board. And the vision board will also help you to strengthen your relationship as you work as a team towards your common aims. That is very important, particularly in the bonding and deepening their relationship. And it also is going to help you improve communications. How many times have I heard where couples are complaining, she does not listen, he does not listen, he's not understanding, she's not understanding, I said this and I'm not sure why this is not being understood. So here is the place where we're going to look at exactly, with the help of image, what is, how can we improve our communication? Because it's going to give each partner a chance first to reflect and then to talk about those personal dreams and desires. I want to have this changing. I want this rule to be brought in because of this, that, and the other. So here's a place where communication is also going to be of paramount importance. So it's also going to be built up on that board. Again, the next step is, of course, that is going to bring to deepen the understanding, particularly when I'm looking at binational couples. We're bringing two different cultures and we want to create another co-culture. So we're going to be kind of like looking at how much can I compromise from this side of my culture and how much can I compromise that part of my culture. And all this requires really deep understanding, because it is there when there is deep understanding is when you can help each other much better to either overcome all those challenges you're having, or to come up with what I always call a new culture, your family culture, which is going to be very important if this relationship is going to be always taken each and every year to the next level. So the vision board can also serve the purpose of being the glue. And I want to say glue as symbolic, because glue has, as far as I'm concerned, two purposes. It's going to stick those images that are on that board, which you're eventually going to hang up on the wall, and the glue also as the symbol of sticking together or in high and low times. So that is what we're going to look at also in trying to manifest the idea of the glue, and how it is important for each and everybody's relationship. So, like I said, 24th of August at the Maritime Hotel. It is going to be from 10 o'clock in the morning to 3 p.m. It costs 182 euros per couple. And this is simply because in the price I have included lunch, which is going to be a three-course meal from the buffet. There's also going to be soft drinks, tea, and coffee. I'm also going to bring you a designer vision board, which is not going to be one of these that you're going to be picking up at the hardware store, but in actual fact, a very beautiful board that you can also design yourself and put in all your decorations. And at this event, I also have provision that we're going to have meditation. It is going to be run by a colleague of mine who is specialized in the meditation, which I find it's very important if we free our minds in order to be able to create the vision board, because the vision board is going to be something that is going to accompany you and your relationship for a longer time. What I'd require you to bring is to bring old magazines, decoration items. Please bring also some comfortable clothes, and also maybe a blanket that you can sit on when you are doing the meditations. The most important thing is fun. I will bring fun, and I want you people to come in with lots of fun, to come in and to experience and to develop and to create this very new and important board, which is going to be part of your family for the next, for the next couple of years. So The vision board can be for anybody who maybe wants to start up a new relationship, or is looking to get married, who are married and the house is on the rocks. The house, it's threatening you. If you're finding that there is some obstacles that are coming up in your relationship, it could be that you are totally new in the relationship. You want to find out exactly what are his dreams, what are my dreams. It could be a family, very normal family that are finding themselves having issues, like I mentioned before. Or it could also be a blended family where we're bringing two other new or three other new components into the relationship that is threatening to break, but there is a lot of love, and we want to just find a consensus of how to continue with this relationship. This is a place where I want people's dreams to come true. So we're going to make sure that we're going to work onto those lines to ensure that when you leave at the end of the event, that you actually do have a way forward with your partners. So at this event, you can also follow me on social media. Sorry, please follow me on social media at Mind Expert Coach. Where can you reserve your tickets? Okay, tickets you can reserve them by following me on all my social media platforms. You're going to find the links to to where to purchase the ticket, or you can go via my website where you're going to find the link also again to the event ticket, or you can go and buy the ticket directly at the link which I have, which is shown here below. You can also reach me on WhatsApp or Messenger on the phone. I'll be very happy to communicate with you or to give you any more information that you might need. So I'm looking forward to see all of you on the 24th of August in Cologne at the Maritime Hotel. Thank you.